this is Gretchen from the Avondale Civic Center Library. Welcome to More to Explore. More to Explore is a program for ages 6 to 12. In More to Explore, we will learn, create, and share. Tune in every week for new activities. Here's the answer to last week's position puzzle. The answer is once upon a time, because once is on top of 8 a.m., which is a time that could happen during the day. Here is this week's position puzzle. See if you can figure it out and watch next week to find out the answer. Hi, welcome to More to Explore. We are going to be making a Valentine's scratch ticket today. So you're going to need your scratch ticket, pen, a paintbrush, our paint soap mixture, and some tape. So my first step is going to be deciding what I want the possible prizes to be. So I was thinking that this would be a good surprise for one of your adults in the house. So I might think of things that I could do that would help them out. So maybe I'll say, do the dishes. And maybe I'll say, walk the dog. If you have a dog, obviously don't put walk the dog if you don't have a dog. And let's see, how about vacuum? Okay, so I've got my 3 potential prizes that my adult could scratch off. So in order to make this work, I have to put something over the pen. And so I have just regular Scotch tape today. If you have packing tape, that works really well too. And I just need it on the word over the top of there. So I don't need tape everywhere, but I'm going to put it on top of the words. I'm just smoothing it out so you can see the writing. Okay, so now that I have tape on top of my words, my next step is I have my paint and soap mixture, but since it's been sitting, I need to stir it because I want the solution of the paint and the soap to mix together. Otherwise, if I just get paint, this won't work, and if I just get soap, it won't work either. So I need to make sure that I'm getting both. All right, so my paintbrush is a little bit dry, but you're going to be painting 3 coats of paint, so you don't need to glop it on there, because the thicker or the more paint you put on, the longer it's going to take to dry. And you'll notice I didn't use very much paint at all. Make sure to wash out your paintbrush right away, otherwise it gets stiff. But I didn't use very much paint at all because, like I said, we want it to dry quickly and we're doing multiple coats. If you decide that you want to make more of these and you run out of paint and soap mix, it's just 2 parts paint to 1 part soap. So if you have, the 2 paint, then we would go half for the soap. So I need to let this dry, and then I will come back and paint 2 more coats, 1 at a time. Now I have my 3 coats of paint and soap mixture painted on my hearts, and so I can give this to a loved one, and they can scratch off 1 or all of them. And there you have it. You've now created your own scratch card. In the book Here Comes Valentine Cat by Deborah Underwood, Cat hates mushy Valentine's Day. But the author thinks it would be a good idea for Cat to make a card for the new neighbor. Cat's new neighbor is a dog, and he keeps annoying Cat by throwing things into Cat's yard. Will Cat show kindness to Dog and make him a Valentine, or will they become enemies? Read the funny book, Here Comes Valentine Cat. Coyote is a 12-year-old girl who lives in an old school bus that she and her dad have made into their home. They have been traveling around in their house on wheels for the past 5 years, trying to escape the sadness of losing Coyote's mom and sisters in a car accident. They even changed their names to Coyote and Rodeo to avoid having their names bring up sad memories. When Coyote's grandma tells her that her neighborhood park is being demolished, Coyote realizes that she has to find a way to get back home in order to save the memory box she buried there. She can't tell Rodeo what they're doing because he refuses to go back. He only wants to look forward. On their journey, they meet some amazing friends, but will they make it home in time for Coyote to save her cherished memories? Find out in The Remarkable Journey of Coyote Sunrise by Dan Gemeinhart.